You want to be a productivity champion? Well, you can look at this machine from DMG MORI. This is the NHX4000. This is a horizontal machining centre, and this is a machine that will keep running throughout the night and throughout the day. This is a Speedmaster spindle. They come with a 3-year warranty. The most important part, one of the most important parts of a machine, it won't work if the spindle is not going. And that's what DMG MORI pride themselves on, the fact that these Speedmaster spindles are reliable, they're fast, they're powerful, and to really cement the fact that they're confident in them, they give you that 3-year warranty. Now, why a horizontal? Well, a horizontal machine can do the work of a lot of vertical machines, especially with like a 20,000 RPM spindle, a cube on the table. You can obviously machine parts on each face and different faces as well. Then you've got a system like this. This is the RPS 21. This in itself, fully integrated to this DMG MORI machine. No, it's not a third. This is not a third-party piece of equipment. This is DMG MORI's solution, and here is a perfect example of how this sort of solution can benefit, or the horizontal solution will benefit engineers. More than one part per side, 4 parts per side, machining each face. Just shows you how you can keep that spindle running. A lot of machines, and this has 21 pallets by the way, and you can have slightly less than this if you choose, but a lot of machines in machine shops around the world will be running, would you believe, at less than 40% efficiency. You get it right with a solution like this, you can be running up to nearly 100%. And what does that mean? That means that that spindle is cutting metal the majority of hours that are available in a day, and that is how you become competitive. Global market's pretty tough at the moment. MTD CNC not out on our travels as yet really around the world, but when we do, we know that we're going to see more of this, because this is in more demand. This is a horizontal machining centre with a pallet system for unmanned running.